Hi Machis, good morning once again. So today I received my one card on my mail. So I just wanted to show you the unpacking. Maybe next time I would try to give you all the details. So basically what happened was I had applied it online, and when I had applied it online they had asked for my Aadhaar card details. So it was all basically done with my Aadhaar verification, and then a person came home to check. He took my photos, he scanned my documents, and that's it. After a day or so I received my virtual card. Virtual card is basically the one that you are able to use it online. So basically you don't even need this one if you're going to do any online purchases. Straight away you feed in all the details which is on the back side of the card, and that's it. So you're good to go. But for using it in the POS, all you need is you got to use something like this, a physical card. So to an extent I find this a company which is not so famous having a good packing. Whenever I receive my cards, I find the cards are really good, but sometimes I find that it's too much of information that is of good for nothing. So I find this to be very simplistic and good also. The packaging is nice. So OneCard, welcome to OneCard family. So there's a statement which says, Hi-Fi, thank you for activating your virtual card. We hope that you have been exploring its features and benefits and using it on purchase. We are now delighted to enclose your Metal OneCard. It's weighing 16 grams, exquisitely crafted for a single sheet of metal. OneCard is gorgeous head turner. Okay. Okay guys, something that is which is of important, what's more, you can now use your card to tap and pay for spends up to 5,000 without a pin. So basically what you got to do is you got to take your card, put it on a tap machine. It won't even ask for your pin number. So if people are going to use it, be careful that you have it locked. But if you are very confident that you will be able to use it safely, then you can have it on. So this is it's not something which can be scanned when you have it in your pockets or something like that. And nowadays you get this RFID purses which you can use it in case if you want to keep it safer, that if you're afraid that some might use a scamming device to scan it. So then let's go. Okay, it's got packing a little hard. Okay, so our card. Let me take this out. So there you go guys. So it's a picture perfect metal card, engraved Vishweshwaran Sekaran one card, and you check on the back side. There you go guys, the back side. So basically you have all your card details in here, your CVV. So this can be straight away used to use all the purchases and online purchases, as well as your swipe, tap in, all those stuffs. I've already set it on my mobile, so I have to activate this card. So basically you get one QR scanner code which is something like this. So guys, you will get one scanner code, so which you can use it to scan it from your mobile. So that's all, you get your card activated. Let me know guys how my review was, so that I could get it far more better next time. It's just a beginning, I know, but then it's just I'm being an enthusiast just to try to understand how the Google works, and one of those project is reviewing stuffs. So this is my review. See you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.